Unboxing the bootleg legendary Super Saiyan Goku from Dragon Ball Z. The package looks accurate to the original one. It seems illegal. How did they manage to pull this off? Anyways, let's unbox it. Wow, it looks great for a bootleg. It seems to be made with good plastic. Here are the accessories. Let's check the articulation. Everything seems to be tight and perfect. It's worth the money as it was only $30. Let's check the other head. It's a charging head or a Kamehameha head too. Now let's try it with the Kamehameha blast effect. Looks great. Here's another pose. Let's put on another hairstyle. It seems to be an angry face. Here are some pictures.